Have you ever wondered about places in this world where the common man is not allowed to set foot? Imagine a world where certain corners are shrouded in mystery, held under lock and key, far from the prying eyes of the public. These are forbidden places, locations that stir the human imagination and kindle a burning curiosity. They are landscapes and structures that hold secrets, places that are off limits due to reasons ranging from safety concerns to top-level confidentiality. Today, we embark on an intriguing journey, a journey that takes us to the doorstep of 15 such locations. We'll explore the enigma and the allure that surrounds them, and perhaps uncover a few lesser-known facts along the way. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare your minds, for we're about to delve into the secrets of the world's most hidden corners. First stop on our global tour of the forbidden, China. A land shrouded in mystery and intrigue, China houses some of the most clandestine corners of the world, including the Spy Museum. This clandestine fortress, dedicated to the art of espionage, is off-limits to foreign visitors. Within its hallowed halls, the museum offers a curated collection of propaganda, shedding light on the shadowy world of foreign spies, while kindling the spirit of patriotism and vigilance among its local visitors. However, the veil of secrecy surrounding this museum remains impenetrable to the outside world, adding to its enigmatic allure. As we peel back the layers of China's enigmatic tapestry, we stumble upon another well-guarded secret, the tomb of Huang. This ancient resting place of China's first emperor is a monument of historical significance. Known for his unification of China and the creation of the Great Wall, Huang's legacy is forever etched in the annals of history. His final resting place, however, remains an inaccessible mystery. Hidden beneath a hill in Lintong district, the tomb is a tantalizing enigma for historians and archaeologists alike. The Chinese government, in a bid to preserve its historical integrity, has kept the tomb off-limits, leaving the world to speculate about the treasures it might hold. China, a land of profound history and deep secrets, certainly holds its cards close to its chest. As we continue our journey into the forbidden, we are reminded of the tantalizing allure of the untouchable, the unexplored, and the unknown. So, buckle up as we delve deeper into the world's most guarded secrets. From the Far East, we make our way to the United States, a land of guarded secrets and heavily fortified vaults. Our first stop is Atlanta, Georgia, home to the Coca-Cola recipe vault. This is no ordinary vault, as it houses one of the most closely guarded secrets in the world, the original recipe for Coca-Cola. The recipe is said to be known by only 2 people at any given time, and they are not allowed to travel on the same plane, ensuring the survival of the secret even in the face of a disaster. In this vault, the recipe is kept locked away under heavy security measures, high-tech security systems, biometric scanners, and weight-sensitive floors, you name it. This vault has it all. It's not just a vault, it's a fortress protecting a century-old secret that has given the world its favorite fizzy drink. From the guarded vaults of Coca-Cola, we journey to Kentucky, where we find Fort Knox. Known for its impenetrable defenses, Fort Knox is home to the United States Bullion Depository, which holds a large portion of the country's gold reserves. The exact amount of gold housed within these walls is a closely guarded secret, adding to the mystique of Fort Knox. The defenses of Fort Knox are legendary. It's surrounded by layers of physical and technological security measures, including multiple fences, alarms, video cameras, microphones, minefields, and even Apache helicopter gunships. All these efforts are in place to protect the vast wealth within its walls, making it one of the most secure places on the planet. From a secret recipe to vast gold reserves, the United States indeed knows how to keep a secret. Beyond man-made mysteries, nature too keeps her secrets well. Venture with me now to the Pacific Ocean, where the Mariana Trench waits in silent darkness. This is the deepest natural trench on Earth, a place so far removed from our world that it might as well be another planet. Its most profound point, known as the Challenger Deep, plunges over 36,000 feet into the abyss, a depth that could swallow Mount Everest whole and still have over a mile to spare. Only 2 humans have descended to this alien landscape, and it remains largely unexplored, its countless mysteries locked away in the crushing pressure and eternal night. But let's leave the watery depths and head for warmer climes, to a place equally as forbidding. Off the coast of Brazil lies a seemingly idyllic island known as Ilha da Queimada Grande, but don't be deceived by its beauty. This is Snake Island, home to the deadliest serpent on Earth, the golden lancehead viper. Its venom is so potent it can melt human flesh. The Brazilian government has banned all visitors to the island, not just for their safety, but also to protect the snake population from human interference. Two places, as different as night and day, yet both are shrouded in mystery and danger. The Mariana Trench, a world of darkness and pressure, a place where humans are not meant to go, and Snake Island, a land ruled by venomous serpents where even the bravest dare not tread. Mother Nature, it seems, has a few forbidden territories of her own. History has a way of keeping its mysteries locked away from the world. Imprints of the distant past, the Lascaux caves in France, stand as a testament to the artistic prowess of our ancestors. Over 17,000 years old, the caves are adorned with intricate paintings of animals, humans, and symbolic markings. The walls whisper tales of a time long forgotten, connecting us to the primal roots of humanity. However, these historical treasures are no longer open to public view. The caves were sealed off to preserve the delicate art from the damaging effects of carbon dioxide, heat and humidity brought in by the influx of visitors. This closure ensures that the ancient narratives etched on the walls continue to survive, unscathed by the passing of time. From the silent echoes of the past, we transition to the eerie whispers of the present at the Bhangarh fort in Rajasthan, India. Nestled amidst ruins, this fort is shrouded in tales of the supernatural. Legend has it that a wizard cursed the fort, dooming it to destruction and making it a hub for paranormal activities. The Archaeological Survey of India, the governing body, has legally prohibited access to the fort after sunset. The chilling tales of ghostly apparitions and strange noises at night have given the Bhangarh fort a notorious reputation. It stands as a haunting reminder of the unseen forces that might be at play in our world. So the Lascaux caves and Bhangarh fort, both off-limits yet captivating, hold mysteries of different kinds. One preserves the secrets of our ancient ancestors, while the other showcases the mysteries of the supernatural world, both equally intriguing and enigmatic. History, it seems, has a few haunts of its own. From the shadows of history, we now turn our gaze to the enigmatic world of secret societies. Hidden deep within the redwood forest of Monte Rio, California, Bohemian Grove asserts its presence. This 2,700-acre campground is notorious for its annual 2-week gathering of the most influential men in the world. From US presidents to business moguls, they all congregate under the canopy of the redwoods, away from the prying eyes of the public. Theories swirl about the rituals that transpire here, from the benign to the bizarre. Yet, what truly transpires behind these closed gates remains a closely guarded secret, fueling the fires of speculation and intrigue. On a different note, nestled in the granite mountains of Utah, lies the Mormon Church's secret vault. This vault, burrowed more than 600 feet into the north side of Little Cottonwood Canyon, is said to safeguard a vast collection of genealogical and historical records. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, known for their extensive genealogical work, reportedly stores microfilm copies of millions of records from around the world here, creating a veritable trove of ancestral knowledge. The vault's tight security measures are as intriguing as its contents. With temperature and humidity control, as well as protection against natural disasters, the vault is a fortress of preservation. Yet, access to the vault is highly restricted, keeping its true contents shrouded in mystery. One can't help but wonder, is it merely a sanctuary for ancestral records, or does it hold secrets more profound? Secret societies certainly know how to keep a mystery alive. Islands, isolated from the world, hold their own unique secrets. Let's sail towards the Bay of Bengal, where we find North Sentinel Island, a realm of enigma and mystery. This island is home to the Sentinelese people, an indigenous tribe untouched by modern civilization. They fiercely guard their isolation, repelling any attempts at contact with hostility. The Indian government, respecting their wish for solitude, has declared the island off-limits to outsiders. The Sentinelese, in their seclusion, offer a fascinating glimpse into our ancestral past, living proof of human resilience and adaptability. Now, let's journey to the northern latitudes, to the icy waters off the coast of Iceland. Here, amidst the craggy rocks and chilling winds, lies Surtsey Island. Unlike North Sentinel, Surtsey is devoid of human life. It is the youngest island in the world, born out of a volcanic eruption in the mid-20th century. But don't pack your bags just yet. Surtsey is strictly off-limits to tourists, a haven reserved solely for scientific research. Scientists are studying the gradual colonization of life on Surtsey, a natural laboratory offering insights into how ecosystems are formed. From the hostility of the Sentinelese to the pristine silence of Surtsey, these islands tell stories of isolation and preservation, of human life untouched and nature undisturbed. They stand as reminders of the diversity of our planet, the myriad ways in which life can adapt and thrive. Each island, in its own way, is a testament to the power of life's resilience and the enduring mystery of our world. Islands, it seems, have their own tales to tell. Our final stop takes us to one of the world's most secretive nations, North Korea. Here, ensconced in the heart of the capital, Pyongyang, we find room 39. This isn't your average room, though. No, room 39 is shrouded in mystery and intrigue, a clandestine operation that supposedly forms the economic backbone of the enigmatic North Korean regime. But what exactly is room 39? Some reports suggest it's not just a room, but a secretive organization, possibly a series of rooms or even an entire building. Its sole purpose? To secure foreign currency for North Korea's leaders. The methods it employs to achieve this are as varied as they are dubious. From counterfeiting $100 bills to producing illegal drugs, and even insurance fraud, Room 39 is rumored to use any means necessary to fill the nation's coffers. Yet, despite these nefarious activities, Room 39 remains one of the most inaccessible places on Earth. It's not merely the physical barriers of security and surveillance that make it so. It's the shroud of secrecy that envelops it, the lack of verifiable information, and the intense control exerted by the North Korean government. Room 39 is a fortress of silence, and those who dare to speak of it do so in hushed whispers, if at all. As we delve deeper into the enigma of Room 39, we realize that it's not just a room, a building, or an organization. It's a symbol of the North Korean regime's clandestine operations, a testament to the lengths a nation will go to preserve its power. It is a testament to the enduring power of mystery. And so, as we conclude our journey through the world's most forbidden places, we find ourselves back where we started, in the realm of the unknown. For it is here, in the mysteries that elude us, that we find the true allure of the forbidden. As our journey ends, we are reminded that some mysteries may forever remain just that, a mystery. Subscribe to Trendtrackers for regular updates about historic facts, emerging trends, and travel destinations.